What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 323. Now, I've been away for a whole week, and I apologize for that. But let's be really honest right now. I'm going to be really honest with you because I think that we've been doing this long enough. 323 episodes, plus the big shows, plus the podcast, plus the book, plus the swag, everything. I've been very disheartened with BC Spirits in the last couple of weeks. Well, this whole year, actually. Doing a daily show has become quite expensive to continue to do. Even today, I dropped for 4 bottles another $140 on spirits. I do have a lot of great distilleries in the province that support me really well with products when they come out and stuff like that, and I always get bottles in the mail and stuff like that. But the majority of distilleries just don't seem to care about what I'm doing with BC Spirits and what I'm trying to achieve with BC Spirits. And so it's a little disheartening at times. Now, I get a lot of great messages from people who are watching saying, thank you so much for the knowledge. Thank you for all the work you do. But this project takes up a lot of my time, like an hour and a half every day to do a show. But then I'm also paying for a bottle of alcohol, an hour and a half of my time, which is quite rare to be able to carve out an hour and a half of my time. So for me, the question has been on my mind a lot lately is whether or not I continue with this. And while the BC Spirits cocktail book is coming out, do I need to do a daily show for Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and whatnot? And so I am still meandering about this, and I have a lot of people who message me, and they're the ones that make me continue on the gin of Vancouver's and the second shots and stuff like that. They're the people that sort of make me keep pushing. But there is a point where, like, I am getting in my mid 300 shows. Like, there's a lot of spirits that I can't get, whether that be bad e-com sites from distilleries and so on and so forth. So I feel like I've been jabbing for 2 years now. But I'm getting no right hooks. And so from a pure financial business point, it is getting a very difficult thing to sort of warrant this amount of time and money that's been put into this project. And maybe I simplify it down a little bit. So I just wanted to be really honest with you guys, because I took a week off purely because I did not have the funds this week to go out and warrant spending $250 on products to do a week's worth of shows, because that's pretty much what it is. It's $250 a week. If I don't have it in my collection and I'm not getting stuff sent to me, it's about $250 a week. So $1,000 a month I'm spending on BC Spirits just to do a daily show. And so the time constraint plus the financial load has just been really wearing on me, because I am busy with a lot of other projects, and those projects are keeping me very busy. And so it's difficult at times to sort of warrant that time and money expenditure. But so that was my little, not a rant, I suppose, a little bit of like me being really honest with everybody who's watching this video right now. So, but let's kick off with tasting. 323. What have I got today? I have got the Arbutus Vanilla Liqueur. Now, I've been saying Arbutus has been for a really long time one of the most underrated liqueur makers in the province, hands down. They do, like, Mike does some fantastic liqueurs up there, and he really showcases some fantastic flavors. That lavender, the citrus gin, everything. So I'm really looking forward to the vanilla. I like vanilla. I don't know what it is. I think it's a memory from my past, my childhood. Or maybe it's just those bad, oh, I got vanilla liqueur all over my new hoodie. Ah! Oh, I'm just going to leave that down there. What an absolute gong show today. Oh. The great thing is that Mike's base spirit, his vodka base, is so vanilla-y and smooth and almost creamy dairy on the nose and on the palate. I just know the vanilla is going to play out well. Bright vanilla notes on the nose. Oh, yes. This, to be honest, I'm definitely using it in cocktails for sure. But for all the bakers out there, start looking at BC Spirits, because there's some fantastic liqueurs from like Arbutus and Okanagan Spirits that would go fantastic in your cooking. Like this vanilla, usual 20% from Mike, is a fantastic addition to that your cooking, your baking, your desserts, stuff like that. That would be money. Beautiful, soft vanilla on the palate. This is really just a simple vanilla liqueur that's going to just blow up in any cocktail that you use it in. So thanks for listening, guys. I really appreciate all your support. I really, really do. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.